How to knit fisherman's rib. Fisherman's rib is a variation of the standard rib stitch. Using this technique, your knit stitches will be worked into the row below. The purl stitches are worked as normal. Fisherman's rib creates a very thick, chunky piece of fabric, making it perfect for accessories and garments to wear on chilly days. Top tip: work the first and last stitch of each row as normal knit stitches. This will create neat edges on both sides. Following your pattern, you'll knit your next stitch into the row below. Insert your right hand needle from front to back through the V shape below the next stitch. At the back of your work, you'll wrap the yarn around the needle anti-clockwise. Then, bring the loop through to the front using the tip of the needle. You can now slide the stitch off your left hand needle. Purl the next stitch. To knit the following stitch, insert your right needle into the stitch of the row below. Wrap the yarn around the tip of the needle and bring it through to the front of your work. Slide the stitch off your left needle. Purl your next stitch. You'll now alternate between knit stitches into the row below and normal purl stitches until you reach the last stitch of the row. A top tip: remember to bring your working yarn forward for each purl stitch and take it to the back for each knit stitch. Knit your last stitch as normal. Now turn your work, ready to knit the next row. Knit the first stitch as normal. Then purl the next stitch. From here, you'll work each knit stitch into the stitch of the row below again. Then purl the following stitch. Remember to knit the last stitch of the row as normal. You can now knit fisherman's rib.